13 senators did not sign the report that led to the suspension of Senator Natasha Uduaghan, who represents Kogi Central. She was suspended for 6 months for breaking the Senate Standing Rules 2023 as amended. As part of her suspension, Senator Natasha will lose her salary, security details, and access to the National Assembly. Her office will be locked, and her aides will not receive their salaries. The Senate said she can only return if she submits a formal apology. Many senators, including high-ranking members, did not attend the hearing on her case. A top senator who did not want to be named said the hearing was rushed and that several senators were at a tax reform meeting at the time. It was a rushed assignment. Why the hurry? Why didn't the committee wait? The absence of ranking senators shows we knew where it was heading, the senator said. Senator Natasha's suspension came after a disagreement with Senate President Godswill Akpabio about her seat reassignment. She had also accused Akpabio of sexual harassment. In response to her suspension, Senator Natasha said it was unfair and that she would fight against it. Many people are now watching to see what happened next, but we'll continue to monitor the story for more new developments. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.